Hello friends. Nowadays we are making most of the payments through digital mode. So why don't we pay life insurance premium also through digital mode? Let's see one of the option available. Google Pay is now used by many of us to make many digital payments. We can also make LIC payment using this app. For that, we need to open the app. In that we can see that we can transfer money to many person or make payments to business companies. In that you can see LIC also. Even if you don't see LIC here, you can just click new payment, and in that you will be having bill payments options. So various utilities will be displayed. In that you can select insurance. So among the various insurance companies, you can select Life Insurance Corporation of India. So here you need to link your policy to Google Pay first. So just click Get Started, and here you need to give your policy number, email ID. You will receive the receipt of after payment to this email ID, and you can give some name to this policy. Just click Next. The name of the policyholder will be displayed here, and if it is correct, you can just click Link Account. So the policy is linked to Google Pay, and it will now display the amount you need to pay as premium. You can just click Pay Bill. It will take you to the banking gateway and displays the bank account already linked to Google Pay. So just click Proceed to Pay, and you need to give the UPI PIN number. After giving the UPI PIN, the payment will be validated and you will get the receipt to the email ID, and also you will get an SMS confirmation. Thank you.